In my experience, human beings tend to ignore mission statements and focus really a great deal on where is my spot in the hierarchy and how in the immediate circle around me of 5 or 10 people do I gain more trust, authority, and connection with that group of people. So it may be that Starbucks has a mission of caffeinating and connecting people who woke up this morning uncaffeinated and disconnected. But that's not what drives the barista who goes to Starbucks to work today. She is driven by, how does it feel to be in this particular Starbucks today? Or if I think about my friends at Acumen, which is one of the most important nonprofits, most of the people at Acumen do not spend most of their day making decisions solely based on their manifesto, which is one of the most beautiful mission statements I've read. They're making decisions based on that immediate circle around them and how will interacting with them make them feel like people like us. So that's why culture is important, because culture is this persistent, low-grade current that is running through everything we do. And it's local, it's not just global.